Hey, what is going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at All I See Is W. Well, today I wanted to create this video to share with you my insights on 3 stock picks so far in the current market right now. Now, these tickers include Zomedica, iBio, and Skye Bioscience. Now, I'll share with you what the company is working on and why these companies are positioned for success, and for those reasons its share price will likely start bull running up in the year 2021. Before I begin though, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and any time when you do consider making an investment, please make sure to do your research. Now, let's say if you're new to investing where you don't have a trading account, I've left the link down below for Webull. So let's say if you were to sign up with Webull, a trading account, then you can gain potentially on 4 free stocks. So take advantage of that. And I also do have my online merchandise that you can look up if you are an authentic subscriber. So let's get started. Now, the first ticker I wanted to share with you is Zomedica. Now, what's so unique about this company, right? Well, they're working on a diagnostic product intended to be used on companions right now for dogs and animals to test for thyroid related problems. And what's so unique about this company is that with its product True Forma that will be released sometime in March of 2021, there's a low demand, meaning there aren't too many competitors in this market. So True Forma has really created a competitive advantage for Zomedica, where there's a barriers to entry. There's not many competitors in this market for Zomedica to compete with, except for like one company. That's about it. So really it's like an oligopoly, monopolized market in this space. And I know that True Forma, the cycle time for doing the testing is very fast, and with high accuracy output, that just means that it will definitely monopolize the market given the context of this increased demand for products like True Forma. And for this reason, the share price will likely bull run all the way up to like $3 to $10 come prior or during the launch of True Forma, which will be in March timeframe. Now, I've been recommending this ticker back when the share price was like 6 cents. So I was making videos back in October, November, up through before the bull run when it started vertically catapulting upward. Now, the question is, can it continue to bull run? I definitely feel so. And today it reached all the way up to like mid 35%. So that's very unique. So I wanted to say congratulations to those who listen to me, and let's not lose sight of what Zomedica can do for you. Now, the next ticker I wanted to share with you is iBio. What's so unique about iBio, right? Well, iBio is working on plant-based vaccines leveraging its Fast Farm proprietary technology, and now it has the swine flu vaccine for animals, and it also has the COVID-19 vaccines that's currently in preclinical trials, virus-like particle, which is the iBio 200, and the subunit lichens protein version iBio 201, where we shall hear investigational new drug submission sometime in this year, Q1 I'm forecasting. And one of the unique things about this company is that once it starts scaling up manufacturing, the operation cost will be very low, and it's able to scale up into the billions. Now, when you compare this company, you can look at Medicago, a company based out in Canada where it leverages plant-based for the use of vaccines. Now, Canada really praises this company. Now, the question is, will the United States leverage iBio as a source for countermeasures, let's say for pandemics? I would say yes. That's why DARPA is working with this company. And what's so unique about this company is that it's working with University of Texas, one of the largest institutions in the state of Texas, to support its growing of the plants so that collagens can come out from that and be put into the vaccines. So that's why I feel like with iBio, it's definitely going to continue bull running up, because it does have Tom Isett, the CEO, who has assembled a very solid team to build on the clinical and finance program, and we shall see the share price start gaining up. And the prior resistance was up about the $7 share price range. I firmly believe that it can definitely reach up to the double-digit share price range sometime in this year. So let's not lose sight of what iBio can do for you. Now, the last ticker I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience by the ticker SKYE. What's so unique about this company, right? Well, this is a hidden gem-based company out in San Diego where they're working on a bioengineered product intended to be used for ocular disease, specifically in glaucoma. Now, what causes glaucoma, right? Well, patients can develop glaucoma because of increase in intraocular pressure, or they really can have the genetics for it. Now, one of the unique things is that we know smoking cannabis has demonstrated increase in the reduction of intraocular pressure. However, the systemic approach is not very effective when you're trying to reduce intraocular pressure the right way. Now, this company has bioengineered the product where you apply the drug product into the eye, and with the amino acids that are added, it allows for the drug product to bind to the THC receptors in your eye. We know that within the whole entire body, we have innate receptors for THC. However, within the eye, that's where the THC receptors is like very concentrated. So that's why I firmly believe that its product innovation will disrupt how we look at pharmaceuticals, bridging the gap with the use of cannabinoids. And we've just heard that GW Pharma was recently acquired by Jazz Pharmaceuticals, one of the largest pharmaceutical-based companies. GW Pharma actually created a drug product, Epidiolex, intended to be used on patients dealing with epileptic seizures. That's one of the first FDA-approved drugs derived from the use of cannabis. However, the difference with Skye Bioscience is that you can't really, get the product from any cannabis store, really, right? This is more of a pharmaceutical-based drug. So to me, this is like one of the leading pioneer companies that's trying to break through by leveraging bioengineered cannabinoids, and there's intellectual property with this prodrug THC VHS. Now, in parallel, the company is also working on a drug product, CBD VHS, while the main focus is getting THC VHS into the clinical market in Q3 of this year, while the company is further validating its studies in preclinical trials to demonstrate reduction of intraocular pressure, as well as providing neuroprotective effects. All of the traditional drugs right now in the market is really just putting band-aids on patients with glaucoma to bring down the symptoms and the intraocular pressure. However, there isn't a preventive action, and if and when Skye Bioscience is able to demonstrate that it can provide neuroprotection, then that will allow for the reduction in having glaucoma patients be diagnosed with this very bad disease. So from a share price standpoint, where it stands right now, it's currently hovering at the 13 cents. I firmly believe that come human clinical trials timeframe, it shall be above the 60 cents to $1, or perhaps even further up. And come Q1 of 2022, the share price can definitely be up in the $2, $3 to $10 share price range. So that's why I remain very bullish with this type of company here. So let's not lose sight of what Skye Bioscience can do for you. And the fact that the company had just rebranded itself and also positioned itself with a new CEO, Puneet Dhillon, who has so much extensive experience scaling up companies. So for example, when Puneet was at Oncosec, he was able to uplist the company from OTC to NASDAQ, and look at where the company is today. It's gaining on positive proceeds, building on its market capitalization. And for that reason, we see the trust and respect instilled in CEO Puneet Dhillon at this time. So overall, I hope that this video was value add in a sense that it gave you highlights on Zomedica, iBio, and Skye Bioscience. I hope this video was value add, and if you haven't done so, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more related content. Thanks again, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye.